Welcome back. Yeah, hey guys. Hey, so yeah, we missed a couple days this week. We missed a couple days this week, but y'all already know we're gonna catch up. Also, we're doing a design on these nails, so I'm gonna show y'all this. But aside from us catching up, we're also gonna be like doing some a live video tomorrow at 6. Well, I don't know when this video going out. This might be going out tomorrow. We're doing a live video today at 6. My bad. Because this is going out tomorrow. Okay? This one's going out tomorrow afternoon around 4. And just to let you guys know, we're going to be going live at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so let's get straight into this design. So I am doing 3 French nails and 2 junk nails on each hand. I will be showing you how to do each and every one of them. When I am doing my Frenches, I like to make sure they're even. They match up side to side from one nail to the other. The white polish I'm using is from Beetles. It's just from one of their kits. So yeah, the brush I'm using I got from Amazon. And I just said the white polish is from Beetles. The video from earlier today was probably that. Well, not probably. The video from earlier today was the application to this. I don't think we did this video already. I don't think we did. I'm hoping we didn't because that would be wasting my time. Let me go look. I'm gonna go look on my YouTube channel and see. But y'all, when I am doing my Frenches, I like to be precise and I also like to use my cleanup. Now, if I mess up the nail, I like to wipe it off using an alcohol wipe. But if I'm doing cleanup, I like to clean it up with acetone and my little cleanup brush that I got from Amazon. Y'all, I don't know what it is about me, but I really love a good cleanup brush. I really do. It's like, dang, I love this for me. We finna go see if I got if this nail set is on here already. I really don't think it is, but girl, anything is possible. Knowing me. Let's see. Videos. Nail art like a pro. So I already did that one. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah. Application for this was the one right before this. So yeah. Matter of fact, okay, so this is not going out on, what day is it? This is not going out on the 23rd. I mean, it's going out on the 22nd. So this was posted December 22nd. So the live will be on December 23rd at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on December 23rd is when I'll be going live. In case you guys want to come, check it out. And talk to me. We're doing some curved nails. That's always tea. That's real tea. So yeah, we're going to do that. What else? I do like to do a second coat because these will be standalone French nails. I'm not putting anything on them. There's no design. There's no marble. There's no nothing. There's just, French. So I like to do a double coat. Yes, ma'am. Let's see. What y'all want to talk about? Let's talk about my favorite things to do now. So I honestly enjoy when my clients come in and they kind of have an idea, but they're not really set on the idea, because usually the idea gives me a color and like what their vibe is for the nail set, and I can go off of that. I kind of really hate when my clients come in with the direct replica and like, oh yeah, I really want this. And I'm just like, bruh, come on, chill. That's that lady set. Why you want that lady set? Why you don't want your own set? That's wild. That's kind of how my mind be. Like, you should want your own stuff. You feel me? So yeah, as you can see, how this white covers is really nice. I really like it. So if you're looking for a good white, I would suggest the Beetles white. I've also used the McCart white, which is also good. So both of those white polishes are really good. No, this ain't sponsored. It's always Beetles. I enjoy Beetles. I also enjoy McCart too. So If you want to see what they got, you should. I'm a little exhausted. Y'all, as you can see, I feel like I'm zooming through this. But I'm zooming through this because I sped it up. Y'all don't need to see me do no Frenches in slow-mo or in real time. Just know all this it was like an hour and 30 minutes worth of footage. Okay? As you can see, if I mess it up, I'm going to clean it up with an alcohol wipe. Yep, just like that. If I don't like it, I'm going to clean it up with with an alcohol wipe. And then I'm going to do it again. Because that's just the type of person I am. Now, be careful with these alcohol wipes. Unless you get the no lint alcohol wipes or something like that. I don't know. Or those no lint wipes and just keep you some alcohol, like an alcohol pump on your desk. That would be tea. That would be better than using an actual alcohol wipe. Because them alcohol wipes have lint on them. And that lint will mess up your nails. It'll be in your top coat. Do you hear me? And you'll be like, oh my God, it's in my top coat. And you'll be brushing, trying to get that little piece of lint to the edge of the nail so you can slide it off the nail. So yeah, be careful about that. The top coat is Beetles. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and top coat these because there was nothing, we didn't need nothing extra. Like the set itself is just so, chef's kiss is real cute. It's real cute. I loves it. So yeah, cute, making sure everything's dry, everything's good. We're going to wipe it off with alcohol wipe. Cool. Everything good? Everything should be good. And I'm going to file off any excess, anything that's still attached to the finger. I'm going to file it off because I don't like that. And I want my pictures to be really cute. Cute. I like it. Making sure it's all dry. I don't know what she did. It's always something. Like, I really don't be understanding. It's always something. Not with her, just in general. There's like literally always something. I was doing nails today. My client put her hand up to put like on the side of her head. Girl, the nail touched the collar of the jacket, so she got acrylic on the jacket. Messed up the nail. I'm just like, bro, come on, please. Yesterday, I'm doing nails, and I'm like not in a rush, but I'm kind of in a rush because the time went over, which was my fault because I overslept. However, if you know you've been sitting in my chair for umpteen hours, don't you want to go home? So, boom, doing the French, she messes it up. I'm like, come on, what you doing? What are you doing? Come on. That's my client that always likes to look up at the nails. Why are you looking at the nails? Just put them in the dryer. They're not dry yet. You're going to mess it up. And I always tell them that. You're going to mess it up. Just put it in. Stop looking and put it in the dryer. Like, don't piss me off. I know that sounds harsh, but they know the drill. Like, they know what's up. Okay. Now let's get to these nails, these stones. So I got the AB crystals, the flatbacks from Amazon. I love them. They're high quality. You know, they ain't Swarovski or Precosa or whatever else they got right now. They're not into that. I got this flash cure lamp from Amazon as well. I used the McCart rhinestone gel. I know this just sounds just so random. I got these gold alloy like little pieces from different random places. I like to shop at the Attitude Shop. I like to shop at the Real Tube Deal for charms. And I also like to shop at, I don't know, but I'm going to put it in the description. There's another place I like to shop at, and I'm going to put that in the description so you guys can have it. Okay? Okay. So, I noticed that I really like to just, do it one portion at a time, like fill in the nail one portion at a time, so everything isn't sliding around. Like, imagine me trying to you're going to see it on the next hand. You're going to see it on the next hand. Because on the next hand, I just try to go ahead. I try to do everything at once. And I'm looking crazy because everything's sliding around. It's falling off the nail. I got to pick it up. I look like a fool. And I don't know why I always start at the bottom and not at the top. Because if I start at the top and work my way down, everything's not sliding around. But once again, I think I'm grown. And I think I know what I'm doing. And I think I know what's best. And sometimes I really don't. See, I should dry that. I ain't even dry it. Look at me trying to push everything back on her nail. Okay, so her nails are kind of like at the bottom of the screen. It's because they like to kind of have their hands in my lap. I don't know what it is about them. I don't know why they do that, but they do. And there's nothing that I can do about it. Like, I push the hand back and they just be like, Like, in the next clip, you're going to see her hand is in the correct position on her side of the table. Right now, it's not on her side of the table. It's on my side of the table. It's literally on my side of the table. But these my clients. These my girls. Love them. T is T, baby. T. I love these. Okay, boom. Cute. Real cute. Real cute. All right. We're going to pause it right here on the thing, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, we about to do the other hand. I did speed up some more because I'm like, dang, it's the same thing. It's literally the same. It is literally the same thing. I did put the final look after this. I'm putting some more stones in my little thing where I like to keep my stones at, so I can shake them up and just pick them up instead of like having them on a little triangle or something like that. And I also don't like to waste no stones, so I do pick them back up, because sometimes you'll be trying to pick up a stone and it'll fall off of your little brush. See, look, you see me? I did the whole nail looking like a fool with my pants on the ground. It was crazy. See, look, starting at the bottom. Starting at the bottom. And I also like to keep my client's hand in a downward position. You see how her hand is sitting on top of the nail lamp? That's why I want your nail to sit on top of the nail lamp. Not your arm, not your elbow, but your arm. Just sit your hand. I want the palm of your hand sitting on top of the nail lamp. Please, work with me, sweetheart. Work with me. It's cute. It's real cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. These are really cute. If you guys made it this far in the video, can you leave me a white flag? Leave me a white flag, because we're almost done. I'm going to post these on December 22nd, and then I'm going to post twice tomorrow, and we're going to go live. So we're going to get 3 pieces of content tomorrow. Okay? Cute. So y'all come back, and y'all check me out. And I'm going to let you guys know that I really appreciate y'all for sticking it out with me through Nailmas. Because, honey, please. Honey, bye. It's crazy around here. It's crazy. I want to tell you guys what happened yesterday. So, I was doing nails all day yesterday. That's why I couldn't put out a video. Because when I got done doing nails, my hips were hurting. And since my hips are hurting, that means I got to lay down. I have to lay down. I have to take me a leave. I need to lay down, because sitting down and like being stiff will hurt your hips. Okay? So I had to take a leave, and that was it. But we're done. This is finished product. Bye.